Hi everyone, this is BooredFemme, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about how to get your old apartment connected to smart home devices and really how to hook it up. So I've lived in my same apartment for a long time, let's just say, and there are always issues. You have one outlet per room, you have connectivity issues and signal issues. Towards the back of my apartment, I was never able to get certain radio stations. Wi-Fi is always an issue, but look at where we're talking about. I want to connect smart home devices. I ended up getting the Connect Home by Samsung. This is what solved my connectivity issues. I have three hubs basically. One in the front of my apartment connected to the router, one in the kitchen, and then one in the bedroom. And that creates the mesh that solved all of my Wi-Fi problems. Now it is one unit. It's extended my Wi-Fi, which made pairing devices much easier. So now I have all of my light bulbs except for my kitchen and bathroom as smart light bulbs. So I can control them on the go. I can, do any number of dimming options and even take it a step further and use if this then that and create some scenes. So it's been a lot of fun, even naming, I was having a conversation with a Smarthings person about naming the lights salt and pepper, and then having an automation where it says, hey, turn on salt and pepper, and then it talks back to you. So I did manage to do that. There are a couple of kinks here and there as far as turning on both light bulbs or not. So again, the light bulbs and connectivity can really be solved by the mesh Wi-Fi, and then the rest is a breeze as far as connecting the light bulbs. What do you want to use? Okay, so I actually ended up picking Google Home. And first I got my hands on the Google Home, and that's in my living room. But then what if I need an alarm clock? What if I want to play music to fall asleep to? I use the Google Home Mini in my bedroom, nice smaller profile and nice and discreet, nice and tucked away right on my vanity. Well, now because of the mesh Wi-Fi, I was easily able to connect those, and I don't have connectivity problems using them in two different ends of my apartment. So it's really solved my music issues, some of the alarm and wake up issues, and it's been a lot of fun talking to Google. But you can even take a step further and create some groups, and I had to walk my sister through this, creating a home group. So now if I go ahead and do a voice command and tell it to play a certain playlist on the home group, it's playing on both of my Google devices. So I have this playing in my entire apartment, and it's all voice control. So again, it's been a lot of fun. Take a look at the Google Home setup and then really pick, there are a number of light bulbs out there. I think some of it's choice and what package you want to pick and put together, but between those components, my apartment is hooked up. So take a look, enjoy, and BooredFemme signing off.